Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video I am going to be transforming my deck into a mini garden for fall. So guys, you might not believe this, but it is currently 47 degrees over here in Zone 10A, Florida today. For those of you who have been following me, you all know that I am currently in the process of downsizing my garden. And it is taking a little bit longer than I expected. Now today I'm going to be transforming my deck into a mini slash small space garden. So while I'm downsizing the garden here, I can be growing some herbs and some veggies and some greens. So I actually thought that was a lizard, y'all. I had to do that. Yes, so yes, as I was saying, I am going to be transforming the deck into a mini slash small space garden because I want to grow some kale, basically just some fall crops while I am working on the garden. So as soon as I get the deck garden up and running, I'm going to continue working on the downsizing so I can have it ready by the grace of God. I am still going to be growing stuff over there, and whatever I'm going to be planting, I will definitely be sharing it with you. I don't think I will be adding any new fruit trees. I'm just going to be taking care of the ones that I have now, and hope to God that I really don't have to buy a lot different from what I will be growing. So I've already started working on the deck because I came out this morning to do something. All right, so come along, let's go now. We often talk about intentional living, about finding fulfillment, but where does that journey truly begin? For me, it's starting right here today. Turning my deck into a mini slash small space garden is intentional. It is going to be a sanctuary for my new minimalistic lifestyle. This new deck garden is not going to be all about greenery. It's going to be about purpose. What I choose to grow here, herbs for my nourishment, flowers for beauty, or maybe a quiet corner for reflection. I am going to be choosing different variety of flowers that is going to be bringing some energy of nature into this small space. Intentional living for me is going to be all about the moments and the memories that I'm going to be creating going forward. It is going to be about the morning rituals of tending to the plants and listening to the sound of the garden. I want this space to remind me that a fulfilling life isn't found in a grand gesture, but in the consistent mindful act of showing up for the small things that will bring me joy and peace. In other words, this is going to be my sanctuary. It doesn't need to be big, it just needs to be mine. A place where my environment supports my intentions. Working in the garden can be extremely tiresome at times, and I can hardly find a spot to sit there and relax. So creating this mini slash small space garden is definitely going to be one of my favorite go-to places. Okay guys, so my new deck garden is about 90% complete, and this is what it is looking like right now. As you can see, I have some flowers to the side, I have lots of flowers in the middle, and I also have my Vigo garden right here, along with my chrome stand with my aloe vera on top of it. Now guys, because it is only 90% complete, I'm going to end today's video here so I can do the other part of what I need to do to finalize this new small space garden. All right, so if this is your first time here, I am the Glades Garden Girl, your creative cultivator over here in Zone 10A, Florida. Please go ahead and comment down below. Tell me what you think about my new small space deck garden. Okay, my peeps, I'm getting up now because I'm going to mulch my Vigo garden, and I also have to pick up some stuff that was just blown over by the heavy wind. Yeah, so guys, I guess I will see you in the next video.